Hi, I'm Becky Gibson with Century 21 and welcome to 705 Coastal Meadows Court here in the gated community of Rolling Creek Ranch. This fabulous property is almost 3,000 square feet and sits on just over an acre. As you can see, this property needs nothing but you and your family to move right in. Come take a look. That was just a little sneak peek of what this property has to offer. To set up your private showing or to view it directly, give me a call, Becky Gibson with Century 21. And remember, Becky sells Granbury.